So let's talk about die maintenance. If you're running stamping dies, at some point you're going to need to maintain that tool to keep it running properly. You might start finding burrs on your parts. You might start seeing tolerances that are going out of spec, or hearing noises from your tool, or seeing the tonnage starting to go up in your press. At that point, you might want to take a look at getting some maintenance done on that tool. That could be as simple as sharpening, could be some component replacement, or it might need some troubleshooting if the die is not making parts as it was intended. We highly recommend that you get on a preventative maintenance schedule with your tooling if you're going to be running production parts. And really what that comes down to is keeping a log, what was done on the tool, how many parts was run, and that'll help you start to make some future predictions on how long that tool needs to run before it comes back in for maintenance again. So you may have CAD drawings for your tooling, you might have paper drawings, or maybe you don't have any drawings at all. So we're not dead in the water here, there's still things we can do to help. So at a minimum, it's great to start with a part print and an inspection report so we can see what's coming off the tool. Best practice is to also save a last part off your die and also the end strip so that the tool maker can use this to try and figure out where the problem areas are. And if there's problems with your die that maybe only happen while it's running, we may need to see it running live or have some video shot so that the tool maker can use that information as well. Each tool has clues to be found. A good tool and die maker can decipher those clues and tell the story of what might be happening. Maybe there's some specific die wear that makes us wonder if your press is worn. Maybe there's some telltale signs on the tool that lead us to question how the tool's being set up in the press. Maybe there are prematurely wearing items that cause us to investigate the types of tool steels that are used in the parts. Having the tool, the last part, the inspection report, and the end strip will help tell that tool's story. So if you'd like to discuss your specific project, please visit our website at wisconsinmetalparts.com and send us your information. We'll get in touch and we can talk. If you'd like help with your preventative maintenance program, we're here to help you. Please remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you'd like to see future updates. At Wisconsin Metal Parts, we serve with purpose, pride, and passion.